Hello, welcome back. You're welcome to my new video course on how to integrate aeromagnetic data, radiometric data, digital elevation models, and gravity data to come up with a geothermal energy potential area map of any given study area. At the end of the day, we're able to get this map, which you can see, which is the geothermal energy potential. We will able to see how to carry out the radiogenic heat generation map, and also able to come up with the radiogenic heat production map in form of this. That one was a profile. Then we have the Curie depth, the geothermal gradient. As you can see, these are all the result of what we are going to see in this course on how they produce. And this is a table of result. So let's see, so it's a table of results for the radiogenic heat production of the study area. This is the calculated values of the Curie depth, geothermal gradient. We're going to see how we come up with all this. And these are the rock units and their estimated average density. This is the RHP, this is the Curie depth, and this is the values we have for the geothermal, for the for the aeromagnetic data. So these are the things we are going to see. A lot of couple of softwares we are going to use. Of course, we have a couple of software that we're going to use: OIAS Montage, SOFA, PC Geometrical, QGIS, ArcGIS, and Global Mapper, so many others, and also Google Earth Pro. We're going to see. At the end of the day, we are going to have a project like this that you can able to work out the aeromagnetic. You can see all the project files to go about it, the ArcGIS project, the blocks, the data that you can work. These are the data that you can work with. You can see the data there. When you download it, you are going to see the project for the radiometrics. The data are also there. You can see the data are there which you can use for the project. It's a very powerful something you are going to use. We are going to use a Python code, which is this, which you can run to create those polygon files. We are going to make use also of montage scripting, software project, the shapefile, the result image, which are this, which you're also going to see once you download the project files. You're going to see the study area formations are contained here. The geology, of course, I'm going to give you the geology, the shapefile of the geology of the study area, so which you can use, and so many other things. So the paper we are going to look at, or what other people have done, is this: increasing the magnetic signature and radiometric indicators within cogistate. We are going to follow some of the methods here used. So the approach friend methods, you can see how they would come up with their own. The profile we are taking for the radiogenic. Also, we're going to make use of also this paper also that integrate all these remote sensing, GIS, and the rest to come up with thermal energy potential of the study areas. As you can see at the integration, this is the flow diagram of the methodology adopted. These are the data. These are the various things we're going to see in this course, and how to come up with their own geothermal energy potential map of the study area. This is the one with the lineament and some also the hotspots. It includes some of the mud volcanoes, Wiki, Warm Spring, Ruanzafi Hot Spring. So these are the zones here to try to look at some of the validations of the work. So it's a very great work. We're going to incorporate two of those papers. So at the end, also, like I said, at the end, once you go there, you see the papers are there. Also, the papers are available for you to look at. It's there in the complete project once you download it. And these are the something we're going to do. And then also we're going to look at the outline of what we're going to do throughout the video series to see how everything is done. We start from the introduction, which is this part. Then the next part will follow from this. Then we end at how to create the geothermal energy potential map of the study area. It's going to be a very comprehensive one. A lot of things are going to be discussed. Integration to Python code, geothermal script that will automate some of the process. So these are the things we are going to see in this complete project.